Welcome back. It's the second edition of the Actuary's questions. Um, I'm I'm gonna solve a question right now, and yep. So this is the question. We have a doctor studying the relationship between blood pressure and heart abnormalities in her patients. She tests a random sample of her patients and notes their blood pressure. High, low, normal. So we have three different blood pressures, high, low, normal, and all of the patients are assigned one one of these or the other. So like the sum of all of the high, low, normal, probability of high, low, normal should give one. And then we've also noted the heartbeats. It'll be regular and irregular. Again, all the patients are assigned either regular or irregular. So the sum of all the patients, like regular and irregulars, should also give one. So now we have 14% have high blood pressure. That's 14% of all the people who have high blood pressure, regardless if their heartbeat is regular or irregular, is 14. Then we have 22 have low blood pressure, 15 have irregular heartbeat, and of those with irregular heartbeat, one third have high blood pressure. So from there we can get two-thirds uh, of the people with irregular heartbeat have low blood pressure. Oh, not low, sorry. They'll have low or normal. And then we have, of those with normal blood pressure, 1/8 have irregular heartbeat. So let's just write all these down. So let me change the ink. Something brighter, maybe an orange. Okay, so 14. Sorry, why does that look so? I don't know what's wrong with my mouse. Just give me a second. So 14% IBP. 22 low BP. 15 IR, irregular heartbeat. And then of those irregular heartbeat, one third of IR is high BP. Of those normal blood pressure, 1/8 of normal BP equals uh this 1/8 of normal BP equals IR. Okay, so now we have so what do we have right now? We have two different variables: blood pressure and heartbeats. Heartbeats, yeah, heartbeats, and so total six possibilities, right? So we can make a table. So these are the heartbeats. You have irregular, irregular. You have high BP, normal BP, and low BP. So what do we have? So we have sums for a few of these. Uh, Sums. So 15% of all the patients have irregular heartbeat. And obviously that means the remaining will have regular. And then we have 14% have high BP. 22 has low BP. So The some of these have to give one. That's why I got from the 15, I got 85 here. Over here, the sum of all of these also have to give one because they represent the total population. Because each person is assigned, like I mentioned before, a type of blood pressure. So 14 plus 22 is, I'm joking, right? Calculate that in seconds. Obviously 36. So 1 minus 36, 64. So now we have that out of the way. One, one third of IR. Let me just read it if I got that right. Of those irregular heartbeat, one third have high blood pressure. So for the people, yeah, so I got that right. So one third of the people with irregular heartbeats has high blood pressure. So that's one third of this have high blood pressure. So one third of 15 is 5. And then the total of all high blood pressure is 14. So we can get this as, and then um, 1/8 of those with normal blood pressure have irregular heartbeat. So 1/8 of 64 have irregular heartbeat, and that is 0.8. 0.08. I think it is 0.8. Yeah, it's 0.8. Sorry that takes so long. So remaining 7/8 will be, which is 56, will be regular. And then we can just compute these with um total sum of regular heartbeat and irregular heartbeat. So this is 15, this is 13, so we have 2 here, and this will be 20. Okay, so we computed each of the total 6 different possibilities. Now we need to find, like, ask what question, I mean, solve the question basically. Calculate the portion of the patients who have regular heartbeat and low blood pressure. So low blood pressure, regular heartbeat, low blood pressure, 20%. The answer is 20%, and that is option E. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Oh shit. Oh shit.